Hi, I just wanted to show you a few things. I'm starting on my mom throw, and I've got it up on my loom, getting ready. Well, actually, I've done the first 27 rows. I've got my mom legs started. But see, I'm using this yarn, the mandala yarn, and I did not want to lose, stop a color here, start white, start another color here. I wanted that color bar to go through. So I'm going to show you how, and see the back of it. See, now I'm going to show you how to carry through with the yarn. Okay, so I started with black and white. It's easier to see. So I've done two rows. I'm getting ready to change my color. I'm using extended single stitch, which is go through, carry through, pull up the loop, pull through the first loop, and then pull through both loops. So that makes it an extended single stitch. The only difference this is, here's your double crochet. Go, you put that yarn over, go through, pull through two stitches, pull through two stitches. That's your double crochet. So here's the big difference in the extended single crochet. You do not loop over. Just pull through the first loop, pull through the last two loops, and then you have an extended single crochet stitch. But to change colors on that last pull through your color, your next color. Pull that through the last loops. Normally you'd put your old color to the back, go through, pull, and you're pulling on the tail of your yarn, and you pull that through, and then you switch to your yarn, the actual yarn screen, and pull through. There you go. Now, like I said, I wanted to show you how to do the carry through, so you can carry through. Normally, that would be, oops, sorry about that. You would keep your old color right on top. You would take your new color, go under, pull it through, pull through, pull through. That's how you normally do that. That is called carry over, because you're carrying it over the top of your stitches, which it doesn't really do a lot here. Let me show you something. I'm going to take my white back out and go through. Okay. Ah, my goodness. Okay. And at the end, you only need to do one chain, just one, not two, just one. Okay, turn, go back. And we're getting to our spot there. Okay, you got your last two loops on here. Pull it through the last two loops, and then go under. See, that's on top. That should carry over. and carry it through. And switch your colors again. Now, this is what happens. Your colors show through. Now, it's not really bad right here, but as I go along, it will start showing worse. And then you have a dotted weaving kind of look. So, on mine, you can see there are a few little things that poke through because I didn't take my time doing this right. But let me show you how to secure this a little bit better so you don't have all that big show through. Let me go through here real quick. I'm going to go to the end. I did a chain 16 turn, did 15 stitches, 5 white, 5 black, 5 white, if you want to do a sample. Here, one, go through. Okay. Okay. Now we're back to the black. I'm going to do one more row just so you can see that white. See that white coming through there? I did it wrong. Sorry about that. Go through, make sure your white's on top. Or whatever old color you have. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. With these white, if you don't pull tight enough, they start getting really bad. Because you don't think about pulling it. And even when you pull it, black and white almost always show through. So, let me show you here real quick how I fix that. Because I usually don't switch colors, change colors when it's under 5. I usually just carry over. Okay. Here we go. It's quite easy. Once you do it, you'll keep doing it without any problems. And especially with this mom blanket that we're doing. If you want to just keep going through and you don't want to have, even though I have white bobbins up here, I'm only using one skein, the whole skein for the background. And I don't want to cut that up. I would have to cut it here. Oh, sorry about that. I would have to cut it at each color change. I'd have to cut it here. And I have to cut the white. I'd have to cut it again here. So I can keep that going through, and I don't like to do that. So, here's what we do. Okay. Take your new color, bring it through. Over here it's the white, okay? Go through. There's your old colors on top. Oops. Old color is on top. Go through, pull it through that chain. Now, in the same exact stitch, go back through, pull it through, pull it through all stitches. You see that? It just makes that stitch a little wider to cover a little more of your stitch. So let's do that again. This is the color you're trying to hide. We're trying to hide the white. And we're doing extended single crochet. Pull through, come through, do your first loop. Go back in the same exact, you see that? Same exact stitch. Pull it through and pull it through all 3. That just widens that stitch up for you. And let's do some quickies so you can see. Go through all 3. Make sure you kind of tautly pull that, not so hard you're going to get a bubble. Pull it through, pull up, pull it through the last one. Now you got your last 3 stitches on the hook. Pull it through all 3 for your color change. Straighten it up, and then just continue on with your extended single crochet. So see the big difference? See how solid that line is, as opposed to this one. It has the little wispies coming out, the little stitches. So it makes it really, really solid. It just widens your stitch up to two legs on the bottom. And let me see if I can show you on this one how that really looks. Okay, so just my white is extended, and this is my turning bar so I don't get it all mixed up. So just my white, see, my white is pretty much hidden, and it just keeps going, and I can keep going with that same one skein right there. I just go through. It's my background color, and I hide it with my wide extended single crochet stitches. So, and when I get to the next line, I'll show you how to add more bobbins on. Right now we have my background color, my 4 bobbins, my 4 legs, my M, that M, and that M. Those legs for Mom. So that's how we're doing it today. Thank you for joining.